Okay, today I thought about this and I'm going to do it because it's the very first thing we always see. This is a little corner table, very close to the front door. So as I'm walking, it's the very first thing we all see. So I wanted to have a nice little arrangement, something that would catch our eye as we're coming, something with color, with freshness. I don't want to use fresh flowers because I know that's high maintenance. I need to change the water, change the flower. So I am using a glass vase, some candles, and some dry flowers. So let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, I think I'm going to use this candle holder for color because like I said, I really want to have color. I can also use just a single candle. It'll look pretty. It's very nice and green. And let's go with this one. Because when I put a votive candle in there, all those beautiful, colorful glasses are going to shine out, and it's really going to look nice, especially at like 6 o'clock at night. It's going to look pretty. Okay, very beautiful, colorful, dry flowers. And I'm going to spread them all around. Okay, there's our dry flowers. And you can choose your colors. I'm going to light a candle. There. Different angles of it. That looks pretty.